Welcome to aminacademy.com. In human anatomy and physiology, let us discuss about tissue regeneration. The extent to which generation is possible depends on the normal rate of turnover of particular types of cell. Those with a rapid turnover generate most effectively. There are three general categories. Tissues in which cell replication is a continuous process regenerate quickly. These include epithelial cells of, for example, the skin, mucous membrane, secretory glands, uterine lining, and reticular tissues. Second one, other tissues retain the ability to replicate but do so infrequently. These include the liver, kidney, fibroblast, and smooth muscle cells. These tissues take longer to regenerate. Third one, some cells are normally unable to replicate, including nerve cells, neurons, and skeletal and cardiac muscles cells, meaning that damaged tissue cannot be replicated. Extensively damaged tissue is usually replaced by fibrous tissue, meaning that the function of the original tissue are lost. Now let us further discuss about tissue regeneration. Tissue regeneration is the process of restoring damaged or missing tissue to its original function. It occurs naturally in all living organisms, including human, plants, and animals. How does tissue regeneration works? The body's immune response plays a role in healing. The body goes through four phases of wound healing: hemostasis, inflammation, proliferation, and maturation. New cells replace the damaged or dead cells. The body recruits indigenous cells to form new tissue. The body remodels the newly formed extracellular matrix. Example of tissue regeneration: the liver can regenerate itself after damage. Guided tissue regeneration (GTR) can stimulate the growth of bone and gum tissues. Exercise can promote tissue regeneration and repair in various organs. Tissue regeneration in clinical research. Tissue regeneration is a hotspot in clinical research and is expected to be used to treat many damaged diseases in tissues. Other terms, tissue regeneration is also a part of the body's natural maintenance of tissue and organs. Further discuss. Tissue regeneration is a part of the organism's tissues that is traumatized by external forces and partially lost. Based on the remaining part, it grows the same structure and function as the lost part. This repair process is called tissue regeneration. Tissue regeneration includes regeneration of epithelial tissues, regeneration of fibrous tissues, regeneration of cartilage tissues and bone tissues, regeneration of blood vessels, regeneration of muscle tissues, and regeneration of nerve tissues. As a hotspot in clinical research, tissue regeneration is expected to be used in the treatment of many damaged diseases in tissues, but the specific mechanism remains to be further studied. So far, we discussed about regeneration of tissues in human body. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.